Here is another basic algebra question. We need to be able to write the equation correctly and we can solve this kind of questions. Here we are given a two-digit number, right? And its units digit is actually 2 plus tens digit. For example, number like 35, where unit digit is 5 and tens digit is 3. So unit digit is, unit digit is 5, tens is 3. So unit digit is 2 plus tens digit, 3 plus 2, 5. Right. But problem is this number into sum of the digits should be equal to 144. 35 times sum of those two digits, 8. 35 times 8 is not 144. So 35 will not qualify. We have to find what is this number. Right. Now, when we are given this kind of problem, let us assume a number like AB. Right. I am putting a bar here. That means to signify that this is a number and it is not product of A and B. Now, let us say, for example, if a number like 23, then A equals 2 and B equals 3. Right, if you write it like this. Right. Now, if A equals 2 and B equals 3, if you have to write 23, we cannot write it as AB. If you write it as AB, that means it is equal to 2 times 3, which is 6. Right. We have to find a different way. What is the different way? 23, if we take A equals 2 and B equals to 3, 23 we have to write it as 2 times 10 plus 3. Right. Then it becomes 2A plus B. Right. Sorry, 10A plus B. A is 2 and 10A plus B. If you write it like this, then 23 becomes 23 can be represented in terms of A and B. Right? This is the way to represent a number when we equate the digits. Right? When we assume that A is 2 is the digit of that number and B is the digit of the number, then this is the way. If B is the tens digit and B is the unit digit, we have to represent 23 as 10A plus B. Right. Now, let's take this number AB. We now what is given? Units is equals 2 plus tens digit. What does that mean? B equals A plus 2. Right. Units is 10 tens plus 2. Right. So that means B equals A plus 2. This is what that is given. Now, at the same time, number into sum of digits equals 144. What is the number? Number is, this number means we have to write it as 10A plus B. So 10A plus B times sum of the digits A plus B. This we can directly write it. Right. Equals 144. Right. Now B we already decided is A plus 2. Let us just replace B with A plus 2. So 10A plus A plus 2 equals A plus A plus 2. That means 11A plus 2 equals A 2A plus 2. This we can take 2 common. So 2 times A plus 1. The 2 we can divide here. So equals 72. Right. 11A plus 2 times A plus 1 equals 72. Let us just expand. 11A square plus 11 plus 2, which is 13A, plus 2 minus 72, which becomes minus 70. 11A square plus 13A minus 70 equals 0. Right. If you see, we can write it as 11A square minus 22 plus 35 minus 70. Right. So why we are writing minus 22? Because this 13 we have to split so that the sum of these two numbers should become 30 and the product of these two numbers should become 11 times 70, 70. 11 times 70. Right. So basically why we are splitting this, 11 times 70 is equal to 11 times 70 equals 11 times 35 into 2, which equals 22 into 35. Right. This 2 if you are taking 22 and 35. That's what we have done here, 22 and 35. Because there is 11, because there is 70, and because there is a 13, we have this hint. The hint is how do we break this 11 times 70? Because 11 is a prime number. There are not many ways. 11 times 70, how can we break? Like this. So that's what we have used. Right. So this becomes 11a into a minus 2 plus 35 into a minus 2. 11a plus 35 times a minus 2 equals 0. A equals 2. Right. So here we can take a equals 2, and then b becomes what is b? B is a plus 2, b is actually 4. This is what we wanted, right? In the other case, a is getting a fraction, we don't need fractions, right? We want a whole number. We want a proper number, right? We want a proper positive number. So that's why a equals 2 and b equals 4. So total our number is 24. Right, unit's digit is 2 more than 10. And this number into sum of this digits, 24 times 6 is actually 144. Right, yes. Okay, thank you.